Drawing a logo to complete the title block and border using AutoCAD 2013 educational version. In this tutorial, we are going to finish off the title block and border by putting a personal logo in the bottom right hand corner. To start off with, I'm going to draw a simple circle. So I type in the circle command. It asks me to specify a center point, and then I'm just going to draw my circle, and I'll draw about that big. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the line command, and I'm going to draw, let's draw a saw blade. So I'm going to saw blade, a line there, I'm going to zoom in, and now I'm going to trim off the excess. So left mouse click on the circle, right mouse click, trim off the excess of that line. Now I'm going to use the array command. This is a new command, and you can see it's array, or you can type in array. Okay, and this is called a polar array. So I'm going to highlight the objects I would like to array. I'm going to right mouse click. Then it's going to ask me to specify a base point. So the base point is going to be the center of the circle. I left mouse click, and you can see that it's arrayed around the circle. Now what I'm going to do is increase the number of items that I'm going to array up to 36. And I have myself a saw blade. And I'll close my array off. Next, I'm going to add some text in the middle of this. So I'm going to type in text. I'm going to start my base point about right there. My text height is going to be 1.5 inches. My rotation angle is going to be 0, and my text is simply going to be STX. And oh, that looks like it might be a little bit big. Oh, we'll try it anyways. Okay, and I'm going to take this and we'll move it. See, can we move this? No, not quite going to fit, is it? So we're going to type in the scale command. And we're going to scale this, and it asks me, because it's highlighted, it asks me for a base point. I'm going to click on, let's click here, and you can see I can now scale it. I'm going to scale it right to there. There we go, there's my logo. And I'm going to simply center this a little bit better. And there we go. Let's leave it at that. Okay, next I'm going to type in some more text. And my start point is going to be right here. And my height is only going to be 1 this time. And my text is going to be skills exploration. And I will finish that off by hitting enter twice. I will move this just so it lines up a little nicer. Type in move the base point right here, and I'll go right to about there. Oh, that looks good. Finally, to finish off and shrink it down, we'll use the scale command. So I will simply type in scale again. I will highlight all the objects, like so. Right mouse click, it's going to ask for a base point. There's my base point. And I'm going to see if I can shrink it down. What I'm going to do actually, I'm going to turn off snap right now. That'll let me have a better control. And I'm going to put it right about, yeah, that should make it fit right there. You can see I've scaled it down. I'm just going to zoom in here for a second. Finally, I'm going to move that into position. So I type in move, highlight, right mouse click, and we'll put that into position right there. And zoom, A for all. I do believe that completes our title block. And again, you can make up whatever logo you want that will be scaled down to fit into that section. Thank you.